In this episode of I Tried It, I'm going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $1 every second on passive. I'm going to talk about the process, how much I made, and literally every other opportunity that's better than this. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how much I made with this side hustle. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. So as I mentioned, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at this side hustle. The side hustle claims that we can make $1 every 1 second on passive. If we just do the math on that, that comes out to $86,400. So I'm gonna do this for 24 hours. I'm not gonna do this for 24 hours, but if we were to do this for 24 hours straight, we could make $86,400. Now think about that for a second. Anyway, if you could make $86,000 from an app, would you work a full-time job? That's all stuff that you can think about a little bit later, but let's go ahead and talk about it. Now, this is an app, a game that basically you could just click on your iPhone and you're going to earn points. Now that those points actually convert into money. We'll talk about the conversion rate in just a moment, but the app only works for Android. Unfortunately, I don't have an Android. So what I had to do is I actually had to fire up my old computer and I had to go ahead and download something called BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is an Android emulator that basically will act as a smartphone on my computer. So I spent maybe 15-20 minutes doing that. And then after I got everything installed, I went over and I downloaded this game. Now, I'm not gonna share the name of the game with you because it's going to be a waste of your time. Anyway, basically what you need to do with this game is you need to open the game up and you need to hit the screen and you're going to get points. But that's not even the best way to get points, which I learned about 20 to 30 minutes into playing this game. The best way to earn points playing the game is to actually have levels. There's levels to this. You have to upgrade your level, and you only upgrade your level by watching ads. So first things first, you're not going to be able to earn $1 just simply following what the original content creator said. You're gonna have to upgrade your levels in order to get more coins that you could potentially eventually turn into money. And so basically what I did, every about 30 to 45 seconds or so, you have an opportunity to level up. The more you level up, the more points you'll get every second or two that will contribute to your point total. Now, what you see on the screen right now is basically a time lapse of me doing this. I did this for about 2.5 to 3 hours so that I could make as much money as possible. Now that I had a good understanding the best way to make money, that's exactly what I did. I actually, every 30 seconds or every time that window became available, I would level up my avatar, account, whatever you might want to call it. And then that would actually give me another opportunity to make more to make more money. Now I got to the point where I could level up to about level 74 and then I got tired of it. But the cool thing is every second you earn 74 points or 74 coins, which will be converted. So the minimum withdrawal for this game is $4. In order to earn the minimum withdrawal, you would have to earn 8 million coins, points, stars, whatever you want to call it, 8 million. And so even if you are doing 75 every second, we would do 8 million, and we're going to get into some math here, which I know you guys love for my channel. We're going to do 8 million divided by 74. That comes out to 108,000 seconds. Okay, so you would need 108,000 seconds in order to withdraw the minimum at 74. Now, obviously, the longer you're on this app, the more levels that you can get to. I don't know if there's a level cap, but stay with me because this is important. Everybody starts off at level 1. You have to keep doing this so you can gain more levels. Anyway, you have to get 8 million stars in order to make $4. If we took 8 million and we divided that by 4, that basically comes out to $1 is worth 2 million stars. Okay, so I don't know why the app decided to go crazy with these numbers. We've seen absorbent numbers in different platforms before, but you know, this seems kind of crazy. So again, the premise of the original video is that we could make $1 every 1 second on passive. Okay, I have been doing this for about 3 hours. And the screenshot that you see on your screen right now is the total amount that I made. I made 264,000 coins, stars, whatever you want to call it. That's certainly not enough to withdraw, and that's certainly not $1 every second on passive. So don't do this, okay? You're gonna waste time. Luckily, I was just hanging out and not doing a whole lot. I was folding laundry while I was doing this. I was playing video games while I was doing this. If you are going to do this on your smartphone, you're going to be not able to use your smartphone, and it's going to stop when you close your smartphone. So I don't recommend that you do this. I think this is an absolute waste of time. The only way that this is feasible is that you would actually share this app with your friends and family and have them join the app so that you can get points. That's basically how a lot of these platforms work. They make money by having their users watch the ads, and the best way that they can make the most amount of money is having as many people as possible watch the ad. So that's why they're willing to give away so many points for referring friends and family. Even if you refer all of your friends and all of your family, you're still gonna be capped out. It's gonna be very difficult for you to make any money, a decent amount of money with this platform. Now, of course, there are gonna be people that make silly comments like, what if I have 20 phones and I've got them all running at the same time? If you can afford 20 phones, you can afford not to do this method, okay? This method, and I don't know how plainly I can say this method is not worth your time. You will be wasting your time, energy, effort, and money if you go out and buy 20 smartphones to do this, okay? This is a waste of your time. I can't emphasize this enough. And so the next part of this is, what's better? Literally everything's better. Literally anything's better. You should be investing your time in literally anything. Don't do survey sites. Don't watch YouTube ads and make money. What you could do is go out and learn a skill and either teach people that skill that you've learned or apply that skill. For example, if you want to become a WordPress website developer, you could go out and get clients simply building WordPress websites. That's going to be a much better use of your time, especially with 3 hours. It used to take me about 3 hours to build a 5-page WordPress website, and I could make anywhere between $300 and $3,000 building out those 5-page websites. For the time, just yesterday, for example, I spent about 40 minutes total, and I created 21 TikTok videos. And I'm uploading those TikTok videos, 3 videos a day for this next week. That's a much better use of your time. Creating YouTube videos. This YouTube video right now, it's running 8-9 minutes. Between creating this YouTube video and editing the video, it'll probably take me about an hour and a half. It would be a much better use of your time to create YouTube videos. Another great use of your time would be to write blog posts or create Pinterest pins. Literally anything that you do online that would help you build an online business is going to be better than going to this app and trying to earn $1 every 1 second. It doesn't even make sense. It's not even logical. And again, I'm going to show you, I'm showing you multiple times the title of that video. The original video says that you can earn $1 every 1 second passively. He's saying that you could earn over $86,000 per day if you had someone working on this every single day. It's just not logical, but it got tons of views. The next question that I'm going to get, and we're going to go on a little bit of rant here. The next question that I get is, Alston, why do you make these videos if you feel like they don't make any sense or they're not worth it? Now, unfortunately, there are literally thousands, millions of people that will see this video, the original video, and they'll try it because they're desperate. And they'll go through the cycle of watching video after video like this, whether it's earning $1 every second or, making $15 listening to music. They'll go through these videos because they're desperate. They're trying to make ends meet. They're worried about the light bill, and they're willing to try anything in order to make money. And hopefully my videos show up right alongside it, and I can prevent some people, not everybody, but I can prevent some people from wasting 3 hours of their time that they don't have on trying to do this process and not make any money. Think about the time that they've wasted, time away from their family, time away from their friends, time that they could do working at a burger joint or, a fast food restaurant. So again, don't do this method. Don't waste your time. Learn a skill, create content. If you don't want to do that, go get a second job, because literally all of it is going to be more profitable than this method that that I watched. Now that you know that this method won't work for you, my favorite method is affiliate marketing. And to help you get started with affiliate marketing, I've included a few free affiliate marketing planners. They are the first link in the description. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download your free affiliate marketing planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.